Hey guys, so just wanted to chat a bit about AI overviews. Right now, so since the launch of Google's AI overviews, right now I think this has been the biggest shift that's been happening in SEO over the last 20 years. So I think in the last 2 decades we have never seen a shift that is as big as AI overviews. So there is a lot of chatter going on. So I thought to clarify a few things. So first, let's talk about people are saying that okay, SEO will be dead now, and all the clicks will become zero, or website will lose huge traffic because of AI overviews. So just wanted to clarify a few things in that area. Let me give you a look about what is AI overviews first, and how it will impact the search, your website traffic, and everything from SEO and Google organic search. So let's say if you right now Google anything that is educational in nature. Okay, for example, what is SEO, or let's say what is science, for example, right? Or let's talk more about what is digital marketing, for example. Okay, so for certain queries, for example, what is SEO, you see here, Google has generated a summary. Okay, and while it is generating the summary, it is giving you links as well from where it is generating all these areas, all these notes, right? So after 2 3 lines there is this link that I can click on, and I can read more about what is SEO. Same thing, let's say I want to know more about how to do link building. Okay, for that as well, if you see, Google has generated few notes, right? Basically I have been testing this feature with Google Search Labs. If you see the icon here, it's turned on. This is basically Google Search Lab. Now this will be called AI overview. It is rolling out in India and other countries as well. Right now it is rolling out in US, but in few weeks it will also be available on India as well. So this is what AI overview is right now. If you see, you will have this feature available to you once Google has rolled out it in India as well. So how the traffic will go zero? First of all, if I want to learn link building, or if we are doing any research on Google, then this is basically providing just the basic details about that particular area, not the complete details. All right. And if I want to know more about, let's say, link building, I can go to these websites from where Google is preparing its summary or notes. So first of all, the argument that the traffic will go to zero, or the website will lose huge traffic out of it, that is not correct. That is bullshit. So I think people who don't know anything about SEO should stop spreading the crap about SEO probably. All right. So yeah, this is how it will play out, guys. Okay. So you can see anytime a Google is picking up any summary or any preview or any overview, Google will always give the links to it from where it is picking up. So right now Google has used 10 websites content to prepare this summary. And definitely anybody who is interested in learning any area, they won't be satisfied with just this much information. They will surely check out the content, and this is how the new search experience will play out basically. All right. So the new SEO, yes, we need to probably optimize the websites. The way we optimize websites will change a bit. So right now, let's say you are optimizing your website. Right now, we optimize it for appearing on number one. For example, right now, Samra's website is coming on number one position. But if we go to the notes, then Link Doctor is coming at number one in AI overviews. So instead of just coming, making sure that our website is coming in top like number one, or number two, or number three position, we will probably try to optimize the website so that the website is coming in top links here within AI overviews. But for sure, the traffic will not dip as much. I'm expecting. I don't know how it will play out, but yeah, I'm not expecting more than 10%, 5% fluctuation for websites which are optimized well for Google search. And be assured that people who are looking for queries for anything on Google, they will visit your website, because your website will come up in AI overviews as well if it is optimized for overviews, and if it is optimized for Google search in general, right? Now coming back to one more area is these areas like transactional queries. For example, let's say you want to buy a smartphone, or you want to buy a software, right? How that will turn out? For example, let's say best PCs, okay, under 2 lakh rupees. Alright, so I can search for it, and if you see right here as well, Google has not generated AI overview, because I don't think generating overviews will be possible for transactional queries, because when people are looking for transactional queries like for example, let's say best software for marketing. Alright, so let's see how that will play out. So first of all, Google ads are coming up here, and then Google has generated this list of tools, and then again listicle is coming up from Insta page. Second result is from active campaign, right? But if you see, there is no AI overview, because I don't think AI overview within 300 words or 500 words can give a proper content around that software for marketing, because people who are looking for a comparison thing for marketing, or let's say best PCs under 2 lakh rupees, they are looking for actual comparison from websites, not kind of an AI summary. So for all the transitional queries, Google is not, I have not seen AI overviews coming up at least, and lots of SEO professionals have tested it. So we couldn't find any AI overviews for transitional queries. So I think at least for the time being, the impact of AI overviews on transitional queries will be zero. There is no impact at all. But yes, for knowledge based queries like what is SEO, what is science, how to do link building, basically queries related to learning, growth, and just basic curiosity, for that we will see AI overviews here, or the summary you can say. Google is pulling out content from multiple websites, merging it together, mixing it up, and preparing a summary or notes for its users. But at the same time, Google is also giving backlink, or from the source website where people can check it out. Just to understand more, let's try few more areas. For example, let's say how to make a cup of tea. Okay, so yes, for this as well, if we see, Google has not generated AI overview. It's not available for this search. So all the queries will not have AI overviews, because again, AI overviews right now it's in very initial phases of search, and most of the queries will still be available right from the websites, not on Google. So if you see here, how to make a cup of tea, I need to visit this website to find the entire recipe of making a tea. Same thing, hmm, let's say I want to learn coding, for example, how to learn coding. Okay, or let's say how to learn more about AI trends. Let's see for these queries if AI search is coming. Yes, for this Google has generated AI summary, but if you see, the AI summary is very basic, about 200 words, and Google has also listed all the websites from where it is generating this summary. And now if I want to read more, then I need to click. And again, so this is how basically the website clicks will play out. Okay, it is taking me to multiple websites if I need to learn more about how to learn more about AI trends. Same thing with coding as well. So let's see what has Google done. So Google has given me very basic steps in AI overview, right? So definitely these steps are not enough for me to learn the entire process of learning to code. So I would definitely love to visit these websites, some of these at least, if not all. And I would love to see how HubSpot, for example, has provided the entire guide about how to learn coding or how to start coding. So again, the claim from few people that SEO is dead. Well, people have been saying SEO is dead for like 20 years, and they will keep saying it for 20 or 200 years. We don't know. But yeah, SEO will keep playing, and I am personally very excited about this new trend, and super positive about it. That if we optimize our websites well, then we do have the chance of coming right here. And the best part of AI overviews is one more silver line to it is very simple, that we do not have any advertisements coming up in the AI overviews for now. So the CTR will be very high. That's what I am expecting when if our website are coming in AI overview search model. So super excited about it. I don't know about others, but from here we are super excited about all about AI overview in search, and we will see how this turn out. We'll keep sharing more updates. That's all. Thanks, guys.